Hey Jeepers, now you got your new Jeep. The first thing you want to do is take your doors off. Let's face it, it is cool to have your doors off. Legs hanging out like old school, right? This is the proper way to do it. If you don't do it the right way, you'll end up with a ding on your cowl like 50% of the other dummy-os out there who don't do it properly. Because your rearview mirror will swing, hit on the cowl, boom, big dent, too bad. But I will tell you this is the best $20 I've ever spent right here. Little cowl cover, you get them on Amazon, from anywhere from $19 to $30. All kinds of different designs. Diamond plate, I got a star because it's a star and it's pretty cool and it goes with the Jeep. So again, very good investment for 20 bucks. First, you need the Jeep tools. Everything on this Jeep can be taken off, put back on with these T-bolts. So to do the doors, you're going to need a T50. That's right. A T50. And it looks like this. See that? It slides right in there and takes your bolts out. Once I get my bolts out, I leave them out all summer. Well, actually, I left them out all year. So I don't have to put them back in because the only way the door is going to fall off is if you flip over. Let's hope you don't flip over. Anyway, moving forward, the first thing you do when you take your doors off, you'll unscrew it, number one. Number two, make sure that there's a wiring harness. It looks like this. It's going to be up under your glove compartment here. You mash and you pull. You squeeze and you pull. Don't pull too hard, Matt. Mash and pull first. Then you'll see this neat little thing attached to it, which is hooked on. Most people make a mistake and take the hook off that first before they get that. The door swings open, it whacks your cowl, boom, ding. You don't want that. So make sure you pull your wiring harness first, then undo your strap. If you don't want to invest in a cowl protection, you can take a towel like this. Wrap it around your rear view mirror and you can open your door so it doesn't ding your cowl. Next thing we do, lift the door, put it where you're going to put it. I actually use this big red thing that you lay on. It's a mechanic helper. You lay on it, you get under trucks, but I use it to move my doors. Because the doors, the front doors aren't very light. So you put it on this, and you can roll it where you're going to put it. You take it off, you put it somewhere nice and simple. Easy peasy. I always also spray, once I take it off with silicone, I spray the little hooks on the door so it comes on and off. Because, again, it's not so easy just jerking off like you think it's going to be. You kind of got to work it a little bit. Nothing to it. Back door's already off, same thing. Mash, pull, then unstrap the door, lift, take away. Nothing to it. Now you're ready for summer fun, baby. Summer fun. This is a Jeep. Go have some fun. Alright, so if you like that video, make sure you subscribe, watch the other videos. We're going to review doors, mirrors, tops, lots of stuff for Jeep. You can replace everything on this Jeep, everything with aftermarket to make it really cool. My Jeep is in beast mode already, but we're going to go through everything and show you how easy it is, or what's good, what's not good, what worked, what didn't work, and how to do it. Again, keep on Jeeping.